Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay guys, so got some good news again. There's a system update available for this device if you live here in the UK. That's right guys, this device has got another update. I just had an update 3 days ago. So if you live here in the UK, this update is available for you. Just go to software update, download and install, and let's take a look and see what's new. So the performance of camera has been improved. Overall device performance has been improved. So device stability improvements, bug fixes, new or enhanced features, further improvements to performance. And the download size is 257.34 megabytes. But guys, this is crazy. Just 3 days ago, I had the exact same update for this device, which improved the performance of the camera and also the device performance. And Samsung has yet again, in the space of 3 days, they've rolled out another update to fix the performance and the camera. So wow, they're on top of it. Samsung, I've got to take my hat off to you guys. Go on, Sammy boy. Keep these updates coming, Samsung. Got to love you guys. Anyway, it's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next video. Deuces. Remember, check your phone. Get this downloaded now. Peace.